Hello, Patrick Walchuk here with an update on the Ottawa real estate investment market, the multi-unit market, to the end of January 2026, and we'll be comparing it to January of last year. So we'll get right into it and we'll look at what happened with sales with buildings that have 2 to 4 units in them. And you know, it's a little early in the game, but what we had were 16 units that traded hands in the month of January compared to 5 last year, which is really quite surprising. So that's 220% increase. The average price of these units, however, is down $890,000. That's a 16% decline. However, I wouldn't read too much into this. You know, just a couple of buildings that are higher or lower on the average, you know, can really skew things because our sample size is so small. But anyhow, we're just reporting what the numbers are. And it took about the same amount of time. These buildings were trading hands in 96 days compared to 98 last year. So let's go take a look at the slide that means absolutely nothing. And that's with buildings that have 5 or more units in them. There were no sales reported in January. There were 2 last year, but we aren't able to get the prices, so we can't even compare the prices. So anyhow, that's what we're able to tell you. So it's a little early in the game. We'll have to see how things shake out. If you have any questions, Patrick Walchuk, thank you for watching.